Baby, I'm about to put y'all on something. One of the most beginner-friendly wigs I have ever wigged in my whole entire life. I ain't even finished my head. Look at this. I picked up the microphone. I said, I'm coming on now. Baby, I just slapped this on. I don't know what y'all want me to do in these moments. Okay. So here's the thing. ISEE Hair has been in the game. We know that. Burmese curly hair is popping. We know that. Half wigs are the unsung heroes of 2025. We know that. Put all of those things together and see what you come up with. I ain't even finished. You see, I have this wrap on and this settling everything down up here. I'm gonna tell you like this. I put this half wig on. Burmese curly, 24 inches, soft and smells good out the package. Light. The finger coils have already been finger coiled. Fire. These finger coils right here, I didn't do this. You remember how I used to go through it? They said, don't worry about that. We got that. You ain't got to do that. You ain't got to put a finger coil. Girl, you still finger coiling your wig. You still putting manual finger coils in your wig. You still manually finger coiling your wig. Because, baby, ISEE Hair said, not so. Now, y'all know I have that much hair. Now, Cousietta is growing. Don't do her, okay? She growing, but it's still not all the way showing. Now, I took a little smidget of my front out, okay? Now, you know I have fine natural hair, also known as see-through when you stand in front of a white wall. Okay, can I say it like that? My little snippet that I took out had this whole front section looking like it's mine. This whole front section looked like it's mine. And let me tell you something else too. My hair is not this texture. My hair is a smooth 4A, 4B. This is none of the above. This is a curl, but it's not like, this is not even kinky curl, okay? I need you to understand. Let me come up on you like we about to fight. Look at this. You see that? Okay, so the fact that the blendtivity was where it needed to be, I'm so hyped. This wig is so pretty. Somebody said half wig season is getting ready to come to an end because y'all done put who? What end? What season? Who finna start wearing half wigs? Why would they do that? I don't know why y'all coming over here thinking it's finna be over with for half wigs. You finna get this half wig. It's one of my favorite gels ever on earth. I just put a little bit on my leave out just because I said, well, I brought him over here. I done sat everybody down. Ain't no show. And something in me said, no, you gonna have to do something, baby. I know it was easy for you to put on your head, but you done asked these folk to come over here and sit on the porch and holler at you. They over here. You gonna have to put on some sort of activity. So I said, well, let me just swoop this and then I'm gonna do another style, y'all. I'm gonna do it. Like I told you, I ain't even finished. ISEE Hair. Hey. This wig is all over the internet. I'm gonna just be honest. This wig is all over the internet. Y'all, these folk ain't lying. This wig is like that. And it's easy, y'all. I was through before I even knew. I was already through, baby. You put this on, flip it over like that, it's over with. There are 4 combs in here. It's not going nowhere. Don't be out here fighting for somebody to snatch your wig off. Don't be out here fighting. Now, if you shout, depending on the intensity of your shout, you might need the elastic. You may need that strap to go across the back of your head. I don't know. Hey, I can't tell you how to shout. If it's the 7th night of revival, you may want to just put it on there. But your regular day life, ain't nobody out here tugging on. Well, see. Okay, never mind. I was been telling my husband business. I ain't gonna do that. Listen. Everybody under the sound of my voice, just listen to me. Hold a minute. ISEE Hair, I like this. Y'all will not believe how soft this hair. This is human hair. Of course, again, y'all, certain things y'all already know about these vendors, you know, already. So, and listen, the more you fluff, the bigger this gets. You can get this as big and ignorant as you want to, and you know I'ma do it. You know I'ma do it. Just look. Okay, I had to make sure y'all was looking. Look. Let me just finish. This is a win-win. InvisiFit strap. Yes, baby. Wig for beginners. Absolutely. This is too easy. It's too easy. There's no shedding. There's no tangling. There's no... Look, my finger. I just don't want to go all the way through and come all the way through the ends of my fingers. So I stop right there. But I'm trying to tell you, your finger's going to go... Look how it's just gliding. Everybody's wig. You can't do this with everything. You think you can. You can't. Look. Child is just gliding right through. I'm stopping myself right here. I need y'all to know that. playing with these half wigs. Who finna put their half wigs up for the season? Who? In what season? There ain't half wig season all the seasons? Like Boys the Men prophesied 4 seasons of half wigs or something like that. They said I was gonna come on once I was all the way finished. I couldn't help myself. Child, I keep thinking it's something I must be forgetting, and it's really just this simple. I literally just put it on my face and took it to the place. Yeah, that's it. Wow, they are making it so very easy. Oh, did that sound like a villain voice? So very easy. Like a grandmama villain. Yeah. Let me finish this. Yeah, I'll be right back, y'all.
just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you